Hi, I'm Dr. David Lamson of Z Chiropractic in Durango, and we are at 970-946-9361, and we are located at 1155 East 2nd Avenue in Durango, Colorado. Spinal health is super important, and there's some things that you can do at home to make sure that you have a healthy spine and a healthy body. So here's a few things. So when you are standing or sitting, what you want is your shoulders to be rolled back. You want your head not from here, but up like this. So what you do is you basically go from this position. If you notice you're slouching, breathe into your chest like that, roll the shoulders back. Now tuck the head back. And it should feel slightly uncomfortable. You're gonna hold that position for a minute, 2 minutes. So when you're in the car, when you're sitting, when you're feeling uncomfortable, this is a good break to do to just come back to the breath. So if I notice that I'm slouching throughout the day, I just breathe in here, tuck the head back, roll the shoulders back, and I'm squeezing the shoulder blades together and creating that unity there. That's gonna create a lot of healthy benefits there. So that's one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my knees about shoulder width apart, and I'm gonna squeeze them together. So I'm squeezing in like that. That's engaging my low back. Now I'm gonna take my hands on my hip, my thumb on my rib cage. I'm gonna lengthen that space. I'm gonna hold my rib cage up in this position. This should take work. You're engaging your muscles. Now I'm gonna breathe from the diaphragm. So I'm bellowing the lungs down. So, and if you put your hand on your stomach here, you can feel as you breathe in, your stomach coming out. Now the thing you don't wanna do is let your rib cage collapse like that. So you're keeping this rib cage up while you're doing that breath. Now combining, squeezing the knees in place. Now if you're doing that, you're holding that for at first 10 seconds, 20 seconds, up to a minute. And you're working that to build that core stability in your low back. That's gonna give you support in your back when you have kind of a sore back or from working long days or sitting at your computer all day. That's a great thing to be doing. Look into foundation training. That's a great thing to be doing for your health. And then of course, getting your spine checked by a qualified chiropractor to make sure that your spine and nervous system are functioning at their optimal.